Let's break down Pi Network. It's a digital currency you can earn right from your phone. No fancy computers needed. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi is designed for everyone, everywhere. Just open the app daily and tap a button to start mining. The project was started by Stanford grads aiming to make crypto secure, fair, and accessible. Millions of users called pioneers are already building the network's strength. The more people join, the stronger Pi becomes. Community is at its core. Pi Network is rolling out in phases. Right now, in 2026, we're in the enclosed mainnet phase. That means Pi is live, but not yet connected to other crypto networks. You can use Pi within its own ecosystem, buying things and apps built on the Pi platform. This phase is all about testing, fixing, and building real-world uses before the big open mainnet launch. The goal? A global, easy-to-use digital currency for everyone. Updates and new features are rolling out as the project moves closer to its vision. Pi is free to mine, simple to use, and built for a worldwide community. The team is focused on creating real value before opening up to the world. Every update brings pioneers closer to using Pi freely in the global economy. If you've been mining Pi, you're part of a growing movement. The journey is about building a real, usable currency, not just another coin. Stay tuned. Big changes are on the horizon for Pi Network. Every March 14th, Pi Network celebrates Pi Day, named after the famous 314. In 2026, Pi Day brought major updates, new developer tools, Protocol 20, and the Pi Launchpad. Developers can now build more apps that use Pi, making the coin more valuable and useful. Protocol 20 introduces smart contracts, unlocking NFTs, subscriptions, and more. The Pi Launchpad helps new projects and tokens get started, building a stronger ecosystem. It's not about fundraising, it's about real utility and value. Pi Day also kicked off community rewards, including prizes for KYC helpers and fun raffles. These updates show Pi's focus, building a working economy, not just a coin. The 2026 changes are all about making Pi spendable and useful. More apps, more rewards, and more ways to use Pi are coming. The network is moving from hype to real-world impact. Pi Day marks a turning point for the project's future. To use your Pi, you need to complete KYC, Know Your Customer. This process verifies you're a real person, keeping the network fair and secure. Submit your ID and a selfie, then you're ready for migration. Migration moves your mined Pi to the mainnet, turning it into real cryptocurrency in your Pi wallet. Over 50 million users have completed KYC, and 17.7 million have migrated their Pi. Migration happens in batches for security and smoothness. To prepare, finish the mainnet checklist, download Pi Browser, create a wallet, and save your passphrase. Lose your passphrase and your Pi is gone. No recovery possible. Once you're set, you'll join the migration queue. The process ensures only real users get real Pi. The Pi team is scaling up KYC and migration for everyone. Completing these steps is your ticket to the Pi economy. The transition is all about safety and fairness for every pioneer. In 2026, Pi Network launched second migration. Now you can move bonus Pi earned from referrals and your security circle to mainnet. To qualify, your team members must also pass KYC, and you need two-factor authentication on your wallet. This ensures only real verified users benefit. Second migration rewards those who helped grow the network. The rollout is gradual, starting with small groups and expanding. If you've built a big team, you'll see more Pi in your wallet. It's a thank you for building the community. Helping your team complete KYC benefits everyone. This update strengthens the network ahead of the open mainnet. Pi Network uses its own community to process KYC applications. Past KYC, you can become a KYC validator and help verify others. Validators check IDs and selfies, securely and privately. Validators earn Pi for each successful validation, with rewards much higher than regular mining. In March 2026, over 16.5 million Pi was distributed to validators, plus a 10 million Pi bonus from the foundation. To qualify, validators needed at least 50 successful checks. Over 1 million validators have completed more than 526 million validations. This system speeds up KYC and migration for everyone. Validators are crucial to Pi's growth and get rewarded for their effort. The reward system keeps the network moving forward. Becoming a validator is a great way to earn extra Pi and help the project. Community effort is powering Pi's progress. There's a rumor about a 20x mining reward for all Pi users. It's not true. The base mining rate actually decreases as more people join. The 21x reward is only for KYC validators, not regular miners. To boost your mining rate, invite friends and build your security circle. Always check official Pi announcements for accurate info. The real way to earn more Pi is through referrals and helping secure the network. Pi's focus in 2026 is utility, making Pi spendable in real apps. A new developer toolkit lets apps add Pi payments in minutes. This makes it easy for developers to join the Pi ecosystem. Persistent payments now let you keep your purchases, even after closing an app. Top apps in Pi App Studio now accept live Pi payments from mainnet users. The Pi economy is moving from test phase to real marketplace. Pioneers can now use their Pi for digital goods and services. The enclosed network is becoming a true peer-to-peer economy. What's Pi coin worth? As of April 2026, it's complicated. Pi is still an enclosed mainnet, not listed on major exchanges. Ignore unofficial prices and IOUs. They don't reflect real value. Kraken's support is a sign of growing interest, but trading isn't open yet. The true value will come from what you can buy with Pi inside the ecosystem. Price will be set by supply and demand after open mainnet launches. Avoid selling Pi on unofficial exchanges. Risks are high. Real value is being built through apps and services, not speculation. 2026 is a breakthrough year for Pi users. Second migration means your referral efforts finally pay off. New tools and live payments turn Pi into real, usable money. Over 17.7 million pioneers are on mainnet, with KYC scaling fast. Validators are speeding up the process and earning rewards. Protocol 20 and smart contracts set the stage for powerful new apps. The focus is now on utility and a working economy, not just growth. Finish your checklist, help your team, and explore new apps. Pi's future is becoming reality.